Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit Audi Q5 side steps. First, ensure you have all the correct tools and parts ready. Always refer to your specific side step, manufacturer's instructions for any unique details. Having everything organized beforehand makes the entire installation process much smoother and quicker. This preparation step is crucial for a successful outcome, so take your time. Next, prepare your Audi Q5 for the installation. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the vehicle's underbody where the side steps will be attached. Then, carefully locate the designated mounting points on the chassis, which are usually pre-drilled. It is a good idea to test fit the side steps at this stage to confirm proper alignment and ensure everything lines up correctly before securing anything permanently. Now, it is time to install the mounting brackets. Securely attach these brackets to your Audi Q5's frame using the hardware provided in your kit. Make sure to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings for safety and stability. Double-check that all brackets are level and perfectly aligned, as this ensures your side steps will sit correctly and look great. Finally, carefully position the side steps onto the installed mounting brackets. Fasten them securely using the remaining hardware, ensuring all connections are tight and stable. Once everything is in place, perform a thorough final check of all bolts and attachments. This ensures your new Audi Q5 side steps are safely installed and ready for use, providing both style and functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.